news to tell you about. Jodi Arias can still get lethal injection. That's what a judge just decided a little while ago when she denied a defense motion that would have taken the death penalty off the table. Yeah, Jodi's defense team wanted the judge to set aside the jury's decision that her ex-boyfriend, Travis Alexander, was killed in an especially cruel manner. That's the criteria for the death penalty. One of them, the aggravator they considered. You know, that despite the prosecution saying this slaughter was horrific and lasted 2 very long minutes.
Ma'am, were you crying when you were shooting him?
I don't remember.
Were you crying when you were stabbing him?
I don't remember.
How about when you cut his throat? Were you crying then?
I don't know.
All right, straight out to former prosecutor Wendy Murphy. Look, you're looking at horrific graphic photos, but we're showing them for a reason. They show the extent of Travis Alexander's injuries. He was stabbed 29 times. His throat was slit ear to ear. He was shot in the face. He was tortured for 2 excruciatingly long minutes. How on earth does Jodi Arias' defense team have the nerve to argue this was not cruel?
Well, because they get to charge the state for writing the motion, comes to mind. Obviously, it's a stupid motion, and thankfully the judge was smart enough to not be a dupe for her poop. And notice, Jane, I didn't say, you know what I mean, right?
Yeah.
I'm very glad that the judge is clearly playing this straight. I wish she had dropped a footnote saying, you know, too bad we can't try the firing squad or drawing and quartering her as well as a lethal injection, because really in the history books, there aren't a lot of crimes more vile, more evil, more gruesome, more intentional, more planned than this. And the only thing she has going for her is what she looks like. And the judges don't care. Juries sometimes care. Judges don't care. And I'm so glad to see that this judge gave that no respect whatsoever.
And we've got more information, and I've got brand new information on the Jodi Arias case in my new book, Expose: The Secret Life of Jodi Arias, and it hits next week.
State of Arizona versus Jodi Arias, verdict, count 1. We, the jury, duly impaneled and sworn, in the above entitled action, upon our oaths, do find the defendant as to count 1, first-degree murder, guilty.
My book, Expose: The Secret Life of Jodi Arias, goes to the deeper why. Why did this happen? How could a demure, supposedly young woman, petite, pretty, soft-spoken, slit a guy's throat ear to ear 6 inches across and 3.5 inches deep? How does that happen? This book answers that question with stunning new information that has never been reported before. A portion of the proceeds of this book will go to 2 charities. One, Travis Alexander's, and the other, Animal Causes, which Travis Alexander was very involved in.